my eyelashes are really crooked. Do you know how when your eyelashes is a bit crooked, it just makes your whole eye look very wonky? I feel like my eyes are looking quite crooked and wonky. Hello my lovelies, hi. Today we're going to be testing out Beauty Glazed mini liquid lipsticks that I purchased from Amazon. When I saw the price on Amazon, I was actually really blown away that I just had to get it to test it to see what this lipstick is all about. I normally like to test out or review high-end product as well as the lower-end product, because you know we need to cater for every single person, because not everybody can afford to purchase really expensive makeup products. I have actually seen a lot of reviews on this particular brand on YouTube here and also on Instagram, but I haven't actually purchased anything from this brand before. It has become very popular and I've seen so many beautiful eyeshadow palettes from this company. What we're going to test out is this one, is the matte liquid lipstick. This is how it looks like. At the back it has all the names of the lipsticks that are in there. It is a set of 6 lipsticks. The names are exposed: Dolce K, Coco K, Candy K, Kristen and Leo. It's actually quite similar to the lipsticks that I got from AliExpress like a while ago. I think like a year and a half ago that I did a review on. They had the same names as well, and the colors are quite similar. The box is really pretty. The box is not very quality. They actually come apart very easily, but I don't really expect a lot from this one because the price is quite cheap. So this is the case. These are the lipsticks and this is how they look like. Am I doing it upside down? I'm doing it upside down. Okay, let's just style it up. Okay, this is the lipstick and this is how it looks like. These are the shades. If you're into nude lipsticks, this set will be good for you. I bought it for £6.68. I'm going to take the lipsticks out of this pocket to show you guys. These are the lipsticks and the mini size. On the front of the lipstick, it's got Kissing on there and it's got Beauty Glazed written on there, plus the lipstick shade. This one is actually exposed. I'm going to do some swatches for you on my lips and also on my arm to show you guys what the pigment is like, the consistency and also the formula. So what it's saying is these are a 6-piece matte lip gloss liquid lipsticks. They're waterproof, they're meant to be long lasting, and also they're meant to be moisturizing. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you my opinion and my thoughts on the lipsticks. I've moisturized my lip with the Vaseline. We don't want no cracked lips here, so I did moisturize it quite a lot before I apply the lipsticks on my lips. So I'm going to be adding some more gloss on my lip. That's better. The first lipstick we're going to be swatching is Exposed. Ooh, they smell amazing. They smell like chocolate actually. They smell really edible. I'm not also going to be using any lip liner on this because I want to see how it looks on the lips without the lip liner. We're going to try Dolce K. Whoa, there it is. We're there. Ooh, this color is actually quite gorgeous. I like the good color, and it actually feels it feels much better than the first one. Now we're going to swatch Candy K. Now we're going to swatch Kristen. Leo. This feels really good. The formula with this one is just, it is so moisturizing. It feels quite light on the lip actually. I do like this one. The last one I'm going to swatch is Coco K. Ooh, I really like this one. This is one of my favorites. The color is just gorgeous. I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone, and I really love this one. It feels reasonably okay unless I move it. I haven't worn any of the other ones, but with this one that I've got on at the moment, the Coco K one, I wore it about 2 days ago because I wanted to be able to tell you what I think of it when I'm doing this review. I'm going to tell you first what I did not like. What I did not like about this lipstick is they feel very thick on your lips. They feel very sticky as well on the lips. When I do that, it's like my lips are almost sticking together, which is not good. It was actually very hard to take this lipstick off. I had to wipe it off so many times and my lips were actually sore after I was able to get it off. And the other thing that I did not like about this lipstick is even though it says it's moisturizing, a couple of the lipsticks are not very moisturizing. Exposed, definitely not moisturizing. Dolce K is not very moisturizing either. You feel really dry on the lips, so if you have a really dry lips, especially in winter, you definitely have to apply lip balm before you actually apply this, or else your lips are going to feel really dry. Some of the lipsticks were very patchy. For example, Exposed was very patchy and I did not like the color. Obviously the color did not look really good against my skin tone. And also Dolce K was quite patchy as well. Most of the lighter ones are quite patchy. I didn't like these two very much. We're gonna go to all the stuff that I loved about this lipstick. The first thing I liked about this lipstick is they are long lasting, they're waterproof. Some of the formulas were actually quite good. For example, Leo was very good. It felt really moisturizing and quite light on my lips, so I like Leo. And also the one I've got on at the moment, which is Coco K, this one is quite moisturizing as well, and I do like the color against my skin tone. They're highly pigmented, which I like. You don't need to reapply to get the desired effect. You can only get away with one coat. The packaging is really beautiful in my opinion. I think they're really cute. Well, my favorites are these four. I really like these four: Candy K1, Kristen, Coco K, Leo. They actually not bad at all. Overall, I think they're value for money. Overall, I will purchase them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video with your friends, your families. Thank you. God bless you guys. Right guys, I'm going to show you something. Look at this here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, just a teeny bit came in my arm, but look, they're still there. I'm gonna get a wipe and wipe it off and show you guys. So I've got a clean wipe here. Let's try and wipe it off. Whoa. And I'm actually doing it really hard. You see? Ah. Woo. You need a lot of energy just to wipe this lipstick off.